Ah! What do you want? What up, cringies? It's me, your boy, here with another super lazy thing. Today I'm just making some bean and cheese burritos. That's about it. The total cost of all this was, I don't remember because I keep forgetting to like separate it when I buy stuff at Walmart, but there's not a lot of stuff here. So let's just like, unfortunately, at this point, British people are barred from eating this because they're not allowed to have anything with flavor. Okay, look, don't make fun of me for being terrible at folding burritos. I'm pale, okay? At this point, you just heat it up however you want. I'm going to bake it in the oven because that will kind of crisp the outside as well. So we'll see how that turns out. And I'll see you in a little bit. What can I say? It looks like a burrito. There's not much else to it. Okay, that was simple and very good. I'm glad that that worked out in my favor. The only difference I would do is, as expected, probably put the salsa on the outside so you can just like dip it in there instead because it makes it a little bit watery on the inside. But that's about it. So enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ow!